Kittens on my back porch. Of course, that one's a calico. That's a yellow one. It's a boy. The calico's a girl, of course. There's a third one, but it's in there with mom. These two are the ones coming out playing. If you live in the Hamilton, Ohio vicinity and you want one of these kittens, let me know. They are right now 3 weeks old. Or 4 weeks maybe? 3 or 4. They have no names. Somebody comes and gets them, we'll name her. When they get old enough, we'll take them and have them spay and neuter. And then they can just live outside here while they want to. Well, you can't see that little calico one. She disappears when it's in a shadow. Thanks for watching. Thought you might want to see my beautiful little kitties.